can you use the Insta X3 as your main motovlogging camera? Roll the intro. Hi, so today's just a quick video where I'm testing the Insta360 X3 camera in conjunction with the Tascam DR05X to see if it can be used as the sole motovlogging camera, or if I'm still going to need the helmet cam with the GoPro Hero 8 as well. So yeah, it's just a quick video just to test the different angles, see what the video quality, the audio quality is like, and just see if I can realistically use this as my sole motovlogging camera with all the angles, the numerous 360-degree angles I can get from this, or if I'm going to still need to use the GoPro helmet camera. I think I probably will still use a GoPro helmet camera, but yeah, I'm just looking to look for some advice and some engagement from you guys, really, see what you think. Obviously part of this video is just going to show the Insta X3, and then I'm going to interweave that with going between that and the helmet cam as well. And if you can just give me your honest feedback below, just let me know what you think and what you think's best, and also what this audio quality is like. It's the first time I've used the Tascam in anger out on the road, so I'm not too sure about the settings. I've looked at looked at YouTube, see what other people have been using, and very little advice really on what to use as a setup for motovlogging with this setup. But I'm just giving it a go with the lowest settings, because I don't want the audio peaking out, obviously. So yeah, with the Insta360, obviously you've got numerous angles, so you can point it back at me like this, or we can point it up at the road ahead, to the left, or to the right, or even like over my shoulder, so to see what's behind me. So yeah, there's numerous angles, and I really like the thought of using this camera, and I'm definitely going to incorporate it in my videos from now on to give you a few different angles of the bike. But yeah, I don't know if it can be used as a sole motovlogging camera, to be fair. So yeah, I'm just looking for some feedback. So yeah, if you could give me some feedback, that'd be fantastic. If you just leave your comments below. I'm also going to edit in some other bits, other shots of the bike from the Insta360, which I think is going to really help with the motovlogging. And yeah, I'll just carry on talking through that. But yeah, there's various clips that you can use that I'm sort of showing on the video now, so you can see the different angles I can potentially get. This is only like a couple of the angles. I'm not gonna bore you with the numerous angles I can get from this now, but it gives you an idea of what hopefully is coming up in the future. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you could please just really quick video, if you could just leave me your comments below and let me know what you think, I'd really appreciate it. Because yeah, I'm guided by you guys. I'm producing content for you guys as well as for myself, so that'd be really good. Hope you like that video. If you did, please press like, hit that subscribe button, that'd be fantastic, really help my channel out. And if you want to be notified of any other future videos that are upcoming, just hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of all future videos that I've got coming up. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time, but in the meantime, ride safe, stay safe, and I will catch you next time.